publishers, at least as far as a user perception. I want to be a little bit of a devil's advocate. Let's say I'm a publisher. I'm seeing, good monetization. I just keep, my ad revenue is coming in at a steady clip. Maybe I'm getting new users at a good clip. Things are trending in the right direction. Why should I even bother investing in this if kind of my core stats are looking good?
Right. So first of all, you can always, if we're now solely talking about monetization, you can always improve, right? So we have the data that we see behind the scene based on our analysis, okay, that there is opportunity to improve user loyalty by tweaking, the mix of ads that are being shown. So perhaps you have a great content, perhaps you have a great game, okay? Perhaps you are making money from ads and everything is looking okay. There is always opportunity to do a better job than other, okay? I don't know any application that don't have any churn, okay? And I don't know any application that cannot improve their stats, okay? So that's point number one. Point number two regarding monetization. Essentially, we have a saying at Geo that ad quality is a choice. Okay, you are in any given moment as an app developer, there is a mix of decision that you can take in any given moment around your monetization. You choose which partner to use. If you're thinking about header bidding, perhaps there are potential a player that you can bring to the mix that you currently do not bring. You might want to create more ad slot, more opportunity on your app, okay, but you're concerned that will cause to low quality ad to slip in and so on. So how can you create a calculated risk and play with your mix of partners that you're working with? Perhaps it could be around floor price, perhaps it could be an ad slot that were able to monetize in one condition, but now you can able to monetize it, with some kind of a remnant inventory and so on. But you're concerned that bad ad will slip in. How can you take these calculated risk in a controlled manner? And this is exactly one of the problems we are solving. The third aspect is user reviews. So you might do great revenue-wise, but again, you have some bad reviews around ads that you can improve. And the last one is about just managing risk, around Apple and around Google and around the different regulation. So again, it's always part of it's like insurance, right? Everything might be okay now, but we have so many apps that were kicked in, from different platforms and from different marketplaces due to quality issues. And essentially, you need to think yourself if you're willing to take this risk or not. Of course, perhaps you know what you're doing, you have very tight control and so on. So you might be in a good shape. I'm not saying that this is a mandatory service for every app developer, but from our experience, there is always room for improvement, and there is always room to have potential revenue, but having a better visibility and control on what's going on, on the ad that's running on your platform, on your app. Sorry.
Yeah.